Hi, Dave.
What up, Joe?
Not much, just thinking.
What about?
Well, did you know that we can use physics to explain how hard we hit a ball with a bat?
Really? What's this process called?
This process is called baseball, or more specifically, batting.
What is baseball?
I'm glad you asked. Baseball is a national pastime in which you attempt to use a bat to hit a ball thrown at various speeds. If you make contact, you then try to touch every base in a specific order. If you do this without getting out, you will score a run.
Okay, what is the history of baseball?
Baseball was invented in the late 1800s to the early 1900s. When is not entirely clear, and neither is who invented the sport or where it was invented due to less documentation back then.
Is it possible to hit the ball different distances and directions?
Yes, how far you hit it depends on how close the ball is to hitting the place on the bat referred to as the sweet spot, which is just a general spot on the bat that minimizes vibrations and maximizes the amount of energy that is delivered to the ball moving in greater distances. Where you hit it depends on the bat angle during the moment of impact.
I kinda get it, but it's still not clear.
How about I show you?
Okay, pal.
Okay.
Wow, that was cool. So you said we could see how hard I did it?
Yes, I did. So to find that, we have to know the acceleration of the ball, and then we would need to know the acceleration of the bat, which we can calculate using this formula. A equals change in velocity over change in time, which can be translated to the change in velocity divided by change in time. Then we need to find the force of the bat on the ball using the formula force equals mass times acceleration, or mass times acceleration. This is how hard you hit the ball. So the ball is going 70 meters per second, and its mass is 0.15 kilograms, and the bat weighs 0.737 kilograms. And the bat went 0.8 meters in 0.15 seconds. So, to find your velocity first, to get acceleration, we would do 0.8 meters over 0.15 seconds, which would come out to be 5.3 meters per second. And then we multiply that by 1,000 to get it into kilometers per second, and that would give us 5,300 kilometers per second. So we would do 5,300 divided by 0.15, and the acceleration of the bat would come out to be 35,330.3 kilometers per second squared. Then we would add up the masses of the two objects, so it would be 0.15 plus 0.737, and we would get 0.887. Then we would, to find the final force, we would have to multiply 35,333.3 times 0.887, and that would finally equal 31,340 newton, 0.7 newtons. And that is how hard you hit the ball.
Well, what does all that really mean?
Basically, it's like having 31,340.7 pounds dropped on your head.